client has a farm with a natural catchment area for water. In previous generations, drains were created to help keep the land dry and to direct the water to the nearest river. However, the client has been thinking about using the catchment area on their land as a source with which to generate hydroelectricity. The electricity generated can be used or stored in the processing of animal feed, with the excess energy produced going to the grid. Using our mobile technology unit at Southwest College, the site was surveyed using 3D scanning and photo technology and then processed using Pix4D software. The client is then able to use this data to calculate and evaluate the site for volumetric flow rate and potential output power. The client has never had hydroelectric power on the premises before. If they were able to create power from a hydro system, it would be challenging, but highly innovative for the company. It would also add a unique low-carbon selling point when selling the animals.